Good morning, everyone. So every week, instance is usually going to refresh. So when you refresh the password, whatever you have the password, that is going to be refreshed. See authentication field. In that scenario, I'm going to give you admin logins. Every week, I'm providing you admin logins only. So you have to log in the admin logins. Log in by using admin logins, whatever I have provided. So today I'm using Cassie.brown username. So I'm going to enter a admin password. See, once I log in into application, go to setup and maintenance. Select financials, select setup. You can select financials or procurement. Anywhere the initial users functional area available. Select show all task. Select create implementation user. See here, set your username. My username is sk_user1. Select search. See, this is the username I have created and I use all the setups. So select sk_user1. Select edit. Select reset password. Just reset your password. That's enough. So automatically generate password. If you select automatically generate password, so it is going to trigger a email notification to the given mail. So I'm selecting manually change the password. Select manually change the password. New password. So choose some password. Select new password. Select confirm password, and select reset. So I have reset the password. Okay, that's enough. So that's enough. Let's close here. So close from this user, Cassie Brown user. Sign out. Select confirm. Let's log in by using our username. Even whatever you people already did the setups, they are also available. But what happened is this instance refresh means the password got refreshed. So just I reset the password the way I have done right now. Okay. So till yesterday class, let's go to our discussions. So till yesterday class, we completed defining till IMO, item master organization, right? We have completed defining item master organization, as well as we discussed about how an inventory will works. So all these things are completed. Even we created one location for inventory also. So even we created one location for inventory also. So, and what are the required setups, the remaining required setups for completing the inventory organization? We need to define a workday calendar. Workday calendar, nothing but, so from what times, from what is the start time and end time for an employee, and what is the working hours for an employee, how many working hours an employee need to work in organization, as well as what is the days he has to work in a week, as well as what are the holidays. So all these things we need to discuss. This one also we discussed in detail about in a last class. So today we'll discuss, we'll complete implementing the setups. Okay. So we completed till creating the location for inventory. Now let's define Workday calendar. Workday calendar, nothing but in EBS we say Workday calendar. In Oracle Fusion Cloud, we use pronunciation as a facility schedule. So please note down these points. Whatever the differences I am telling you, please, because even people don't have exposure on Oracle EBS R12. That is a before version for this Fusion Cloud. So Fusion Cloud is a complete advanced application for Oracle EBS R12. So even you people don't know Oracle EBS R12. So please note down the differences, like differences between Oracle EBS R12 and Oracle Fusion Cloud. So please note down the differences. So the first difference is what? In Oracle EBS R12, you guys are noting down?
Yes.
Shavanti, yes, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, the first difference between Oracle EBS R12 and Oracle Fusion Cloud is in EBS R12, we are going to create item master organization like a inventory organization only, where we are going to give the all the IMO details, item master organization details, as well as organization parameters. Organization parameters. But in EBS R12, whatever these things we are going to do, but in Fusion Cloud, we are not going to give organization parameters. So what are the organization parameters? I will show you when we are creating inventory. So one more thing, in Oracle EBS R12, we say workday calendar. Similarly, in Fusion Cloud, the naming convention is a facility schedule. Okay, these simple differences I will tell you each and every difference. Please note down. From last today's class onwards, SCM and procurement started. Start setup. We can use procurement. We can use procurement offering. So select procurement offering. Select organization structures. See, this is the way.
Sharath,
Yeah.
a question here like the setups, whatever you done so far, is still COA only. What if like instant get refreshed after creating setups related to procurement as well, all of a sudden?
Yeah.
So can we use this export option to download our settings and make use of it for the
Those
future
things,
improvements?
those things is a big task actually by
Mm-hmm.
downloading and all these things. So what you have to
Mm-hmm.
do is I will show you when once the instance got refreshed completely. I will show you
Mm-hmm.
how to use a seeded uh, business units, a seeded GL, seeded legal entities. Okay,
Okay.
I will show you. By using seeded only, we can create only inventory setups. All
Mm-hmm.
these inventory and procurement basic setups hardly it will take only half an hour to 1 hour. But
Okay.
this a GL, general ledger, legal entity, how you have to use a seeded general ledger, seeded legal entity setups. I will show you when definitely next 2 weeks the instance is going to completely refreshed. At that time I will
Okay.
show you. Okay.
Sure. Yep.
Okay. Okay. So the organization structures here we are going to create a workday calendar, nothing but facility schedule. So to create the facility schedule, first we need to define shifts. What are the shifted timings in that organization? So select manage facility shifts. Manage facility shifts. See here, we are going to define the time period. So select the create shift. Press icon, nothing but it's a create symbol. So select create shift. So name SK underscore HOID Hyderabad inventory INV shifts. Okay. Description SK underscore Hyderabad inventory shifts. Code, we can use some code SK H. It's only 3 letters is available, so you can give SKF. SKH is enough. So what is this start time? Start time is 10 a.m. So category is not required. So work from home or work from office. So people has to come to office. So work from office. So please enter time the same format. For example, okay. So duration, how many hours? So the start time is 10 a.m. So how many hours the person is going to work? So 8 hours is working period and 1 hour is break. Total is 9 hours. Okay. So 9 is enough. What is this 9? Is that hours or minutes? So days. So select hours. So shift detail type flexible. Flexible none punch. Flexible nothing but he can come anytime. So he has to work 9 hours. None. We don't using any shift detail type punch. Punch nothing but swipe in. So he must and should he has to swipe in and swipe out for 9 hours. So just you can select a none. None is enough. So we are creating shift. What is the shift? So the first shift is starts from 10 a.m. So total working hours is 9 hours. So category is what work from office or work from home. So if you don't select this one, we are giving the option. He can do work from home or work from office. So if you select work from office, he has to come to office. Then only it will calculate as attendance. Otherwise, it won't calculate attendance. So select save and close. We defined one shift. So similarly, we'll define one more shift. So current shift we define from 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 7 a.m. So next shift we define from 2 to 11. SK underscore HYD INV shifts 2. So SK underscore Hyderabad inventory second shift. So code is okay SK. We already selected SKH. So we can select 2. So start time is 2 p.m. So the duration again is 9 hours. So 9 hours. Shift detail type none. Category work from home. Okay, work from office and is that work from office only. So select save and close. In total in our organization we have 2 shifts. First shift starts from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So people has to work from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And second shift is from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So we created 2 shifts. Okay, we'll search again. So again, you can search what are the shifts you have created. Go to search button. Name. Our naming convention start with SK. So SK percentage enough. Select search. See, we have created 2 shifts. The first shift is SK underscore Hyderabad inventory shifts. Second one is what SK underscore HOD inventory shifts 2. So period type week period, work period, start time 10 a.m. So end time we didn't given, but when we given duration 9 means automatically system will calculate end time as 7. So we don't need to give end time, automatically system will calculate. So what is the start time and what is the working hours means automatically end time will get calculated by Oracle Fusion Cloud application. So code SKH, category work from office, description. So 2 shifts got created. Okay. We created facility shifts. Next what? Workday pattern. So we created shifts. What time to what time we have to work. Now from what day to what day we have to work. Some companies will follow Monday to Friday. Some companies will follow Monday to Saturday. Similarly, how many days people has to work in a week? How many days people has to work in a month? So that one we need to define. So that is nothing but workday pattern. So the next step is manage facility workday patterns. Manage facility workday patterns. We'll create our new workday pattern. Select the create. So name SK underscore workday Hyderabad inventory workday pattern SK underscore HOID INV. INV at the moment I'm using shortcuts. Hyderabad inventory workday pattern. So similarly, you write some description SK underscore Hyderabad inventory workday pattern. So length in days. So length in days is I am giving 7 days. 6 days is enough. So only 6 days working for a week. So select create again. So this is the name description how many days in length. So here workday pattern details. We have to create how the workday will work. I mean how the work week will work. So select create add row. So what is the start date? So start date Monday is our start date means 1 and the end date is 6. So shift name. What is the shift name? So name start with SK underscore percentage. So SKH is the first shift. Select OK. Okay, shift time work period 10 a.m. to 9 a.m. Duration 9 hours. So start day one nothing but in the month it will start first day as a work day and sixth day from continuationly. For example, this is the August month. So in August month, if we select start day 1 and end day 6 means, so from Tuesday to Sunday, it will calculate as a work days. From on Monday, it will calculate as a holiday. Again, it will start from 8 to 13, it is a working days and 14 is a holiday. So if you want to make it as a Monday to Friday, Saturday is a working day, that one again we have another setup. Okay. I will show you that one also. So select again, add one more row. We have added first shift. First shift is from 10 to 19. Nothing but 10 to 7. So again, second shift also I am using start date is 1 and end date is 6. Nothing but totally 6 days we are going to work in our inventory. Shift name SK percentile. So second shift is this one SK2. Select OK. So again, I will show you one more thing. Select search. So for example, here it is showing similarly two names. If you search SK percentile, select search. See, it is both showing like SK underscore Hyderabad, SK underscore Hyderabad, SK underscore Hyderabad. So if you want to know what is the exact name, just keep cursor, move the cursor on the particular name. So it will show you complete name. So this is what SK underscore Hyderabad inventory shifts. So this is what SK underscore Hyderabad inventory shifts to. Here also it is showing code. Okay. See, just move the cursor on that particular field, so then it will show you complete name. So select this one. Select SK underscore Hyderabad shift to. Select save and close. You cannot enter shifts with overlap or times. Shift times are entered into pattern details that have overlap time. So day one has a shift from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and day one also has a shift time from 2 p.m. to 8 a.m. So what we do is here I will select from day 2 to day 7. Okay. The end day of pattern detail must be less than or equal to. Okay, got it. So what it is asking is if the first shift is from 1 to 6 days means so seventh day is holiday in a month. So in that case we have, for example, the August 1st is a start working day and August 6th is the last working day that per week. 7th is holiday. We are giving 7th is holiday. In that case, we have to select a start date is 8 and end date some 13. Okay, that means we are defining workday pattern for each and every month. Select save and close. NDA pattern must be less than or equal to, you can see that exceed the pattern length. Okay, what we do is we'll delete this first row. So we are creating a length in days is 6. So that means again why it is showing error is, so the length in days is, if we are giving 6, that means we are creating for week only. So we have given length in days 6. That means every week we are going to have 6 days. So if we given length in days 30, that means we are going to create workday pattern for entire month. So just we are going to create length in days 6, as well as one shift already defined from 10 to 19. So that's enough. So again, if we are selecting one more shift, it is giving overlap issue. So what we do is we'll just select only one shift. We'll create only one shift. So select save and close. So then you are going to have doubt how we have to define a overlap shifts. That one we have one more setup. I will show you. So again we have to create one more workday pattern. So if you want to use one more shift also, different shift, we have to create one more workday pattern. Okay. So in workday pattern, we can use we can't use overlap shifts. So if you want to use a different shifts which overlap times, you have to create one more workday pattern. So we'll create one more workday pattern. Select under Hyderabad inventory workday pattern to sk underscore Hyderabad inventory workday pattern. Okay, length in days 6. Select create. Start date is 1, end date is 6. Shift name SK percentile. Select search. So this is the second shift. So I will select second shift. Select save and close. So we are using two different shifts on our inventory, which is overlapping them. So that's why we created different workday patterns. Okay, select done. Okay, we created shifts and we created workday patterns. Next is what we need to create a workday calendar, nothing but facility schedule. So select manage facility schedule. Select manage facility schedule. Here we create our own schedule. Select create schedule. So our schedule is what? SK underscore HYD inventory facility schedule. SK underscore Hyderabad. We can create one facility schedule and we can use across inventories, or else if from timings are different from one inventory to another inventory, then we can create individually for each and every inventory. Okay, so select SK underscore Hyderabad inventory facility schedule. So category. So pager or work. Pager nothing but usually a pager is going to give a, so we are going to carry a pager. So pager, from if we have pager we can understand what is the time and everything. So category is not required. Quarterly type. So how many weeks we are going to have this facility schedule? 13 periods, 4 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks pattern, or 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 4 weeks pattern. Which way? How we are going to use this facility schedule? So we can select anything, or also it is optional. So for example, we define our facility schedule as monthly. Okay. Effective from, what is the start date? So start date is we can select August 1st. So till what date it is going to come into picture? So till next year, September. So till July 2018. So 1 year. For 1 year, I am creating this workday calendar. Next year it is going to change. Okay. So what is the workday pattern? Select workday pattern. So whatever we have created workday pattern, just select this workday pattern. Sequence is one. First sequence. So what is the first pattern? So we'll select a morning shift. SK percentile. See, this is the first workday pattern. Select OK. So again, select another row. Add another row. Create nothing but add one more row. Okay. Sequence 2. This is the second sequence. So what is the pattern name? SK underscore Hyderabad inventory 2. Shifted workday pattern 2. So SK percentile. So this is the second pattern. Select OK. See, our inventory, this is the inventory workday calendar, nothing but facility schedule. We are using a workday inventory calendar for monthly. So the first shift is a start from morning 10 to 7 p.m. and second shift starts from evening 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. and the workday pattern is every week the employee is going to have 6 days in working and 1 day is off. Okay. And we created a workday pattern. So schedule exceptions. So what if we have holidays? For example, Friday is last Friday is Vinayaka Chaturthi. So that is a holiday. So likewise, every country is going to have some holidays, bank holidays, as well as government holidays. So how they want to maintain holidays? Go to schedule exceptions. Schedule exceptions. So you can give any exception. For example, select add row, select add row. So exception name. So Christmas, so Independence Day, or anything. So all these things exceptions we can define again. So that means we are going to give holidays. Okay. So I will show you exceptions. So let's complete here. First, let's complete with the creation of okay. So we forgot to save actually. Let's see is it saved or not. See, you forgot to save actually. So quickly I will create one more thing. So sk underscore hyd quarterly type monthly. So start date is August 1st. So end date is July 2018, July 31st, 2018. So workday pattern, select add row, sequence 1. The first name pattern is length in days is 6 in a work week and shift timing is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Select search. Select Hyderabad inventory workday pattern. Again, we'll select one more pattern. We created 2 workday patterns. Use sequence 2. Select search. Select SK percentile. So workday pattern 2. So select save and close. Select save and close. So select done. Select done. So again comes to organization structure. Show all tasks. See, we created facility schedule. Okay, then what is pending? So we didn't give in the holiday list. We didn't give in the holiday list. So let's create what are the holidays for our organization. So where we have to create. So in the facility schedule, what are the exceptions? Exceptions nothing but what days the organization is not going to work. So select manage facility schedule exception. So we'll create our own holidays. Already some seeded holidays is available. So we'll create. So these are the seeded holidays available. We'll create our own holidays. So select create. Select create. So name is what? SK underscore. So Christmas 2017. So SK underscore is copying the same. So when is the Christmas holidays is going to start? So we are going to give some 5 days for Christmas. So we are giving holidays from 22nd to till December, from December 22nd to we are giving till December 27th. That means we are giving 5 days holidays for Christmas. So exception start. Exception start means from what day holiday is going to start. So 22nd December is the holiday, as well as from 22nd to till 27th. Again, people has to come to work on 28th. So these are 5 days we are going to give holidays. So that's nothing but holidays, nothing but exceptions. Exception in schedule. Schedule nothing but work day. What are the exceptions in work day? Nothing but holidays in our inventory. So holidays, nothing but schedule exceptions. Okay. Period type. So off period or work period. So off period. So we are giving off. Okay, select say you can select category also holiday or training. So it is a holiday. So if we change to work period, also holiday or training. So on work period, we are giving holidays. Nothing but so if you select period type work period and category holiday, nothing but these are the work periods. In these work periods, we are giving holiday. Okay. So all day nothing but we are giving off for complete day, or else we can give only half day also. Okay. So if we didn't select holiday, then it will ask timings from what time to what time we are giving holiday. Okay. So see, if we disable this holiday button, it is asking time. That means from 28th. So for today, from what time to what time is only people has exception. Okay, select all day. All day exception starts on 22nd December and exception starts from on 27th December. So these are Christmas holidays for this year. Select save and close. Likewise, similarly, you have to create all the holiday list our inventory. So people usually going to have around some 15 to 20 days holidays. So you have to select all the holidays. Holidays nothing but exceptions, schedule exceptions. So you have to create all those things. Just so I'm creating only one. Okay, I have created SK underscore Christmas 2017. So one holiday I have created. Okay, select done. So on that holiday we have total 5 days we are giving off. Now we have created schedule exception. Then what we have to do? We have to add to our inventory calendar. Inventory calendar nothing but facility schedule. We can say inventory calendar. We can say inventory workday calendar. So or else we can say facility schedules. So the terminology usually people use is inventory workday calendar, but Fusion application terminology is facility schedule. So now we add the holiday to the calendar. So go to manage facility schedule. Go to manage facility schedule. So let's set our facility schedule. What is our facility schedule? SK percentage. Select search. So SK Hyderabad inventory facility schedule. This is our inventory facility schedule. Okay. So this is our inventory facility schedule. Select if you click on this one, it will open facility schedule. Go to schedule exceptions. So exceptions nothing but what are the holidays. Select add row. So exception name. So what is our exception name? We have just created. Select search. Select search. So name start with SK percentage. Select search. So this is the schedule exception we have created. Select OK. Select save and close. Select save and close. So we created inventory calendar, nothing but facility schedule. So this is again you can verify. Go to manage facility schedule. Select search. Select SK percentile. Select search. See, this is the SK Hyderabad inventory facility schedule. Workday patterns. We have total 2 shifts which have 2 patterns, and we have schedule exceptions. So, what are the list of the holidays? Just I created only one holiday. So, similarly, you can create all the holidays, list of the holidays for the year. So we completed creation of Workday calendar. So please let me know if you have any doubts, if you need any clarification. Because creation of inventory, if I complete it, I can complete quickly in 2 minutes. Creation of inventory organization, but if I complete it in 2 minutes, you people it's again it's going to be confused. So that's why tomorrow session I will create inventory and sub inventories. So once we create inventory and sub inventory, enterprise structure is going to complete. So all setups are ready to create inventory. So till here, all these setups are ready to create inventory. So creation of inventory. So creation of inventory is simple task only. But again, we need to discuss about the parameters, how exactly inventory parameters will work. So that one will take around half an hour to 40 minutes discussion. So creation will take only 2 times, but the discussion for each and every field will take time. So tomorrow I'm going to complete the creation of inventory organization as well as creation of sub inventory. Sub inventory hardly it will take 5 minutes discussion and everything. So once we completed sub inventory, complete enterprise structure is going to define. So stock locators is an optional concept. We can discuss this optional concept in a inventory key flexi field. So we have one concept inventory key flexi field. Similarly, what we have seen in ledger. So we have accounting flexi field. Remember, we have key flexi field, accounting flexi field, where we define chart of accounts. Likewise, we have inventory key flexi fields. So there we can discuss the stock locator. So till completion of sub inventory, enterprise structure is going to complete. So tomorrow I'm going to complete inventory creation and sub inventory creation. So with inventory and sub inventory creation, enterprise structure is going to complete. Then next Wednesday and Thursday, we are going to discuss about PIM, product identity management. So till Friday, we are going to discuss about PIM. PIM is also one of the important module. So how to create items, how to manage items. So once completed PIM, so we are going to start working on inventory transactions as well as we are going to start order management. So as of now, you guys have any doubts? So till whatever we discussed about Workday calendar, nothing but facility schedule. You people have any doubts? Please do ask. Any doubts? Please do ask. Okay, Pawan, don't have any doubts. Shravanti, do you have any doubts? Please do ask.
No.
Uh,
Let you know afterwards.
okay, sure. And Vijay, do you have any doubts? Vijay, do you have any doubts?
No, Sharath.
Okay, so you people complete practice. Okay, please make sure you are up to date. As well as I have shown you in the first in the beginning of the session how to reset password. Are you guys remember that one? How to reset password?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you so video along with instance access also. In the instance access, so please use admin logins. By using admin logins, again you can reset your password. Okay, you can reset password. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Thanks for joining. I'm going to close this session. So again, if you have any doubts or if you're getting any doubts at practice, please contact me offline. Thank you everyone.
Sharath, are you going to email us the new credentials?
Yeah, I'm going to email along with video, Pawan.
Okay.
So maybe in 10 minutes. So if not
Yeah.
possible, I will send you by afternoon. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I will send
Sure.
you instance access right now. I will share your password later. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sure. Bye. Have a nice day, guys.
You too.